Hey guys, if you want more information on this headband wig, then definitely stay tuned. What's up, you guys? Thanks so much for tuning in. I'm coming to you guys with a quick review of this headband wig. I know I'm kind of late, but let's just jump right into it. So here's the texture. It is a loose wave pattern, and I did kind of comb it out with my hands already. So right here, the first thing I notice about the unit, the hair is very, very like jet black, but we'll get into that later. It has a stretchy headband and it has one comb in the middle and two combs on the side. It is constructed very well. It does have a Velcro strap, one comb in the back, and this one actually does have adjustable straps, which is cool. A lot of them don't. So I'm going to use some Ebin, E-B-I-N edge control in my brush just to kind of make my baby hairs, of course. Y'all excuse my little ashy wig cap. Y'all know y'all wig caps just be sitting in the drawers for a while. That's how mine was. So here is how I put it on. I definitely attach the comb at the front and then the two at the sides. And then, well, no. I do the one in the front, the one in the back. I guess I shouldn't do that because it kind of pulls my hair. But you guys apply it however you want. It makes it really easy with the combs. But I just got to give a disclaimer. I normally would not do the headband this close to my edges. I like pushing it back. But I have to review a U-part wig and my hair is braided underneath for my U-part wig review. This one is kind of tight. That's why I made that face. This one is kind of tight, so it's definitely small head friendly. But of course, like I said, it's not pushed all the way back, so it's kind of forcing it forward more than I would like. But like I said, normally it would be pushed back further. So you guys just ignore how close it is to my edges right now. So all in all, it's comfortable. Like I said, it is small head friendly, but you have to take into account that I have it pushed up really, really far. So if you push yours back, it'll definitely be even medium or bigger head friendly. So this really is a win-win wig. I couldn't find a lot of loose wave patterns. I found like a lot of deep wave pattern, but this is more like a loose one. So like I said at the beginning, this is a super, super dark jet black wig, which I didn't care for. I did not realize that it would be this dark. I thought it would be more of a natural color, but it's cool. You know, I may not even dye it because it's probably not going to take the dye anyway. But I got these headbands. They did not come with the wig. I love the leopard one. It is super, super cute. And right when I put it on, it just makes it look 10 times better. I love, love, love the curl pattern. And I love this headband. I love how you can flip it from one side to another if that's what you want to do, like the little flip over method. But I am going to kind of give you a little style with the unit. You can definitely put it all up in a ponytail. Very, very easy. This headband wig is very secure. So I love it. So I'm loving the side ponytail. Great for the gym or just running to the grocery store. I found these wigs very convenient. I know I'm kind of late on the trend, but it's okay. I am loving these just for a quick run, or I even wore these to the theme park and they held on great, roller coasters and everything. So these wigs are very versatile. I am loving them. I definitely will be wearing these throughout the fall season. Of course, you can definitely make your top bun with it. Super, super easy. Like, I'm loving how easy the install and the styling of these headband wigs are. And of course, there's the method where the ponytail is at the top, the half up, half down look. This is one of my favorites. It is just so cute. I'm normally not a headband person at all. I probably won't wear the chunky headbands. I'm into the more fabric ones, but I'm loving this look. It is so, so cute. And last but not least, of course, the bun at the top. My little bun is just sitting there looking like the poop emoji. But y'all get it. This is just a quick review. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Let me know if you want more headband wig review videos. Stay tuned. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. Bye.